What's going on, guys? Mr. O here. I know I'm an audio teacher, but I got a little tip about Premiere. Are you tired of Premiere lagging every time you're editing and you hit play and having to wait a couple seconds for it to get going and it's constantly like glitching and lagging? I'm about to help you with that. It's simple. All you got to do is create proxies. If you don't know how to do that, I'm about to show you right now. Hopefully this helps you in your Premiere editing. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. All right, so let's go through this step by step, guys. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open Premiere. So there we go. We click on that, get that going. Once Premiere opens up, we're gonna start a new session or a new project, right? So we're gonna go there to new. I'm gonna label this proxy test. Then I'm gonna go to browse right here where it says location. See how it says location? I'm gonna go to browse and I'm gonna press Command D or go here to the desktop. I'm just gonna hit Command D. I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna call that folder proxy making test or whatever, right? And I'm gonna hit create. That's gonna create a folder in the desktop. Next thing I'm gonna do is hit choose. Now this project is going to be saved obviously in that folder, right? But here's the next step. It's very important. You go right here to where it says ingest settings. Click on that. Right here where it says ingest this box, you want to click on that. And then you want to go right here next to the ingest box that you just checked where it says copy. You want to click on that and you want to go down here to where it says proxies. Click on proxies. And then the next thing you want to do is right here where it says proxy destination, make sure it says same as project, right? And then right here where it says preset, I'm just going to click on this. You can choose which resolution you want. And what this does is Premiere will create a low res version of your videos so that you can edit using a low resolution video as opposed to a high resolution video. That's why you're getting all the lag, because the computer is struggling to deal with all of your footage, whether it's in 1080 or 4K. So what I'm gonna do, normally I go to ProRes right here. I'm gonna click on that and then I'm gonna hit OK. Once I hit OK, Premiere is gonna do what it always does, and I'm gonna bring a video in, and I want you to see what happens when I bring the video in. So I'm gonna hit Command and the letter I, and I'm gonna find a video. Let's say this video right here, right? This is an editing video I did for a client of mine. So I'm gonna choose this video. I'm gonna go here to import, and I'm gonna click import. Now watch what's gonna happen. This app right here, the Adobe Media Encoder, is going to open up and it's going to process my video. See right here? See how it's processing the video? It's making a low resolution version of the video. If you look right here, it's going through the video and it's making a very low resolution version that's not going to take up as much memory on the computer, and it's going to allow me to work faster. So then watch, when I bring this video in and I drop it, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. See, the quality is not gone in the video. It doesn't look all grainy and low res, but what you're working on is a low res version of the video. When you go to bounce this or export it out, it's then going to export whatever your settings are. So if you were to go to export your settings, if I were to do that right now, see, you would set all your settings up and then boom, that's it. Oh, and by the way, here's a little tip for you. In your settings, you want to make sure that when you're exporting videos, you want to make sure right here where it says bitrate settings, see where it says bitrate encoding, you want to make sure that it's doing VBR twice. So see where it says VBR 1 pass, click on that. You want to make a VBR 2 pass. That's gonna to preserve the quality of your video and all that. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Create proxies first,
put them all in a folder, and boom, you should be ready to go. You should be able to edit without any glitchy and slow, laggy problems. All right, guys, hope you're having a good day. Have fun editing.